In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your subscription in Base44. So what you need to do is hover your mouse in top right corner and click on My Workspace, then choose Billing. And from here, you can see your current plan. As you can see, I have this builder plan. And what you can do, you can downgrade to starter. Or when you want to cancel it, you need to click on Manage Payments. Then click Manage Payments again. Now from here, you have this Cancel Subscription button in top right corner, so click on it. And as you can see, if you cancel this subscription, it will be still available until the end of the billing period on December 11th. So this means if you cancel it right now, you can still use this subscription until the next month. So I'm gonna click on Cancel Subscription. You can also give them some feedback. So for example, it's too expensive. I'm gonna click on Send. And as you can see, your service ends on December 11th. So this is how you can cancel your subscription in Base44. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.